Okay, today we are going to see simple distillation. Okay. Before seeing simple distillation, what we were seeing in fractional crystallization, we were seeing in fractional crystallization, we separate out crystals on the basis of solubility criteria. That means the crystal in which we are interested, there should be a solubility difference between these two. And again, then distillation technique. What next? Okay. What we were seeing in crystallization technique, first of all, there is saturation, unsaturation, and super saturation in solution. What is the difference between saturation, super saturation, and this unsaturation? Then hot filtration and cool filtration. Why there is need of hot filtration, cool filtration? Last one, filtration technique. What is mother liquor and these things? Again, these techniques are nothing but purification techniques. We use that particular techniques to purify as well as to separate out some species, let's say species, from each other. So let's talk on simple distillation. What simple distillation actually is? Now see, distillation is nothing but to okay, simple distillation technique is used to generally separate out two liquids from each other, and there should be appreciable boiling point difference between two liquids. That means, okay, let's focus on this diagram. In this case, what we have to do, we have to separate out these two mixtures from each other. We have taken two mixtures in this round bottom flask, and we are interested to separate it. ठीक है. Now अभी मैंने बोला कि appreciable condition होनी चाहिए. So what is that appreciable condition? There should be some difference, gap, let's say gap between two liquids boiling point. It should be near about let's say 20 degrees Celsius. That means अगर हम लोग को 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस मेंटेन करना, मतलब ओके ओके, लेट्स से वन एग्जांपल. लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल. बुक का ही उठा लेते हैं, कौन सा दिया है. Acetone and water. If we have acetone and water mixture and we are interested to separate out these mixture from each other, so we have taken these two mixture in this particular round bottom flask, and now we have to heat it. But during heat, we have to measure its temperature. Not measure, we have to monitor this temperature. ठीक है. मॉनिटर करना है, मतलब करना क्या है कि उसको देखना, अरे पापा हमारा एक 56 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, एक 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, तो 56 डिग्री सेल्सियस को ऊपर नहीं जा, मतलब 56 के वो आजू बाजू में ही रहना चाहिए टेम्परेचर. दैट्स व्हाई दिस थर्मामीटर इज देयर. अभी हमने हीट शुरू कर दिया, तो होगा ये कि हमारा पहला वाला लिक्विड है, जब when temperature reaches to 56 degrees Celsius, then our first liquid, that means our acetone, is converted into its vapor state. Now these vapors are then passed through this condenser, and again we know what is function of condenser. It condenses out these vapors. Okay, it condenses out these vapors. Which vapors? Acetone's vapors, and its boiling point is 56 degrees Celsius. Clear? Okay. Now after condensation, these vapors are converted into liquid, and this liquid is stored in this particular conical flask. Now, when our there should be one end point, let's say end point. End point तो नहीं बोल सकते. Okay, there should be one point when these two liquids are separate from each other, then which that particular point is. सी, इस केस में आपको करना क्या है कि 56 डिग्री सेल्सियस तब तक आपको मेंटेन करके रखना है जब तक यहां से आखिरी ड्रॉप कोनिकल फ्लास्क में आपकी गिरती नहीं। ठीक है, when और लास्ट ड्रॉप, when दिस पर्टिकुलर ड्रॉप्स, वो जो ड्रॉप है वो गिरना बंद हो जाएगा, हमारा पहला वाला लिक्विड, दैट मीन्स अवर एसीटोन इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम वाटर। क्लियर? नाउ सेकेंड मिक्सचर विच इज इन राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क, दैट्स इट, हो गया सेपरेट आउट, सिंपल। इज दैट ओके? ओके, नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट? there is some activity. Okay, next one is fractional distillation. Now what we were, again this is also a distillation, huh? This is again a distillation. Now we were seen in simple distillation, there is some okay, there is one criteria. Which one is this criteria? Ki they should be appreciate boiling point difference between two liquids. Okay, now फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिल, तो फिर क्यों जरूरत क्यों पड़ी फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन की? बट ओके, फाइन फाइन फाइन, जरूरत इसलिए पड़ी कि जब वो क्राइटेरिया, अभी ये तो नहीं हो सकता ना कि वो दो लिक्विड हमेशा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिफरेंस उसमें ज्यादा ही होगा। देयर शुड बी सम लिक्विड्स इन विच वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू सेपरेट आउट दीज लिक्विड्स कि जिनका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिफरेंस जो है वो कम है। लेट्स से एसीटोन एंड मिथाइल अल्कोहल, जो एसीटोन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है वो 329 केल्विन है, and then methyl alcohol's boiling point is 337 Kelvin. Then the temperature difference, the gap between two boiling point is near about 7 degree. It's 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's 8 degrees Celsius. So now it's tough job to maintain 8 degrees Celsius. That means it's tough job. ठीक है, इसको मेंटेन कर पाना टफ है। अगर हम लोग एसीटोन को सेपरेट करने जाएंगे तो हमारा मिथाइल अल्कोहल भी वोलाटाइल मतलब वेपराइज हो जाएगा। सो दिस विल बी अगेन टफ जॉब टू सेपरेट आउट these two liquids from simple distillation technique. Okay, so that's why fractional distillation technique is there. What fractional distillation actually does with separation? Again I repeat, this is simulation, this is distillation technique, but a fractional cube, the difference is here only. We use fractionating column to separate out these two liquids from each other. Okay, all assembly it's same. Now in this case what we have to do, simply we have to take mixture in our round bottom flask, then we have to heat it, and then what happen after heating? The first liquid, that means which has low boiling point, then this liquid is converted into its vapor state. Now these vapors are gone through it. Okay, now as I told you कि there is a tough job to maintain this 8 degree Celsius temperature, is it? तो होगा ये कि साथ में मिथाइल अल्कोहल भी वेपराइज हो जाएगा। क्लियर? okay, because we are heating on burner. If you use heater, then let's say कि इतना तो चांस नहीं, बट होता है हीटर पे भी ये होता है फ्रैक्शनल, देयर इज नीड टू fractional distillation when you use electric heater to heat.